Home Remedies presents.
This Moringa hairspray will fight dandruff, hair fall and grow your hair. Moringa is a plant that is native to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan and tropical regions. Almost all the parts of the plant are used to make Ayurvedic medicine. It is rich in amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6 and C. It is also rich in folate, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus and zinc. These are all ingredients that are beneficial when consumed internally and when topically applied to the hair and scalp. Moringa is rich in amino acids, a byproduct of protein, are also great for cell regeneration, which are building blocks of cells. Therefore, this helps in regeneration of hair, thereby reduces alopecia. It activates the dormant hair follicles, thereby enhancing hair growth on the bald areas. It is a rich source of biotin. You just need to follow a very simple process for a healthy hair routine. Ingredients: Moringa powder 1 tablespoon, water 1 cup. Directions: add 1 tablespoon of moringa powder to 1 cup water and allow it to steep. Once dissolved completely, just strain and pour the tea into a spray bottle for easy use. Spray it thoroughly on your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. Wash off with mild shampoo. You can also spray this tea onto your hair strands when your hair needs a dose of strength and leave it in your hair.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.